Hello dear students, welcome back to EDUHUNT online teaching platform. At this section today we are going to discuss about quadratic equation, which is a part of 9th class mathematics worksheet number 2. Actually this is a continue class. In my previous class already explained 1 to 5 question from worksheet number 2 in quadratic equation. So let's get started. Question number 6. Product of real roots of the equation t square x square plus mod x plus 9 equal to 0. First option is always positive, second option is always negative, third option does not exist, fourth option 9 by t square. So what is the given equation? T square x square plus mod x plus 9 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So clearly we need to understand, first one, t square x square term is greater than 0. Am I clear? Mod x also greater than 0 and 9 is also positive. Greater than 0 means these are positive values. T square x square positive, mod x positive, 9 also positive, plus 9. This is a 9 also positive value. So nothing but 9 is also greater than 0. So adding these three inequalities, t square x square plus mod x plus 9 greater than 0. But in that as t and x are assumed real, so hence there is a, so real roots does not exist, hence so real roots, so hence real there is no real roots, does not exist means there is no, hence no real roots. No real roots. Am I clear? So therefore the product of real roots of the equation does not exist. Option 3 is right answer. But finally you can say, so the product of real roots of the equation t square x square plus mod x plus 9 equal to 0 does not exist. So this is a proof and this is a particular proof. Am I clear? So what is the second proof? So this is a method 1. So method 2. So second method. So what is the second method? So t square x square, given a quadratic equation, t square x square plus mod x plus what I am given, the equation 9 equals to 0. That is a quadratic equation. Clearly we need to understand sum of the non-negative quantities. These are non-negative quantities. So what I am given, sum of the non-negative quantities, sum of the non-negative quantities cannot be equals to 0. Sorry, cannot be equals to 0. So these are non-negative quantities, 3 quantities given here. Some of the 3 non-negative quantities cannot be equals to 0. They hence no real roots are exist. Hence no real roots. Okay, no real roots. Nothing but what is the final equation? So finally you can say does not exist. So real roots does not exist of the following equation t square x square plus mod x plus 9 equal to 0. Option 3 is right answer. Yes. Let us go to question number 7. If alpha beta are the roots of x square minus p into x plus 1 plus c equal to 0, then alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 is option 1 1 minus c, option 2 1 plus c, option 3 c minus 1, option 4 c. So clearly we need to understand what is the given quadratic equation, x square into p into x square minus p into x plus 1 plus c equals to 0. So this is not a part of x coefficient. So firstly it can be written x square minus p into x, px, minus p into 1 p, minus into plus minus p into 1 p plus c equals to 0. So here x square coefficient a value 1, x coefficient b value minus p, constant value c value minus p plus c. But here clearly we need to understand alpha beta are roots of the given quadratic equation. So, given quadratic equation, am I clear? So, sum of the roots nothing but alpha plus beta we need to find minus b by a, alpha plus beta formula minus b by a, sum of the roots alpha plus beta minus b nothing but minus into what is the b value minus p by a value 1. So, nothing but minus into minus p. So, alpha plus beta value what I am getting, alpha plus beta equals to p, and product of the roots alpha beta formula c by a, alpha into beta c by a. So, what is the c place here? C place minus p plus c, minus p plus c by a value 1. So, nothing but alpha into b value what I am getting? So, minus p plus c. Am I clear? But question what I am asking, alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 value, okay na? Alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1. So, it can be written as, so multiply together alpha into beta, alpha into beta, alpha beta plus alpha into 1, alpha plus 1 into beta, beta at final 1 into 1, 1. So, alpha into beta value what I am getting? Minus p plus c. Alpha plus beta value already obtained, p plus 1. So, minus p plus p cancel. What is the final value? C plus 1. That is the required answer. So, alpha into 1, alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 value c plus 1 or 1 plus c. Option 2 is right answer. Am I clear? So, let us go to question number 8. If alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, observe the following list. So, observe the following list what I am given. So, alpha beta are the quadratic roots of the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Observe the following list. List 1 and list 2 given, nothing but this is a matching test. So, a what I am given, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha equals to b, alpha square plus beta square by whole by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2 c, alpha cube plus beta cube. Option D, alpha, this is not an option, D point, alpha power 5 into beta power 8 plus alpha power 8 into beta power 5 values. So, this is a matching test from list 1 and list 2. So, which of the following is the correct matching from list 1 and list 2? Option A, B, C, D here. So, A, B, C, D what I am given? 3, 1, 4, 2. So, 3, 1, 4, 2. Second option 1, 2, 5, 4. Third option 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth option 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I clear? So, clearly we need to verify it here. So, given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So, here alpha beta are two roots. Alpha beta are roots of the given quadratic equation. So, first one we need to find sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to formula minus b by a. Product of the roots alpha into beta equals to c by a. This is the formulas. Am I clear? So, first one what I am given, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. A from list 1 what I am asking, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha value. So, LCM is alpha into beta. According to cross multiplication, it can be written alpha square plus beta square, and also it can be written alpha square plus beta square can be written alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole by alpha into beta. Am I clear? So, this is a main structure. Alpha square plus beta square, it can be expressed in a plus b whole square, nothing but alpha plus beta whole square. What is the extension? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, that will be cancelled. That is why I am taken minus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta are cancelled. So, alpha square plus beta square are left. So, already alpha plus beta value minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta c by a whole by alpha into beta c by a. So, it can be written minus b by a whole square can be written b square by a. Am I clear? So, b square by a square, sorry, b square by a square. So, whole square minus 2 into c, 2c by a whole by. So, what is the denominator? C by a. C by a, that is the first one. It can be written as a square is a LCM. In the numerator part, it can be written b square minus 2ac. According to reciprocal, it can be written a by c. One a term cancel. What is the remaining? B square minus 2ac by ac is left. So, first one b square minus 2ac by ac, that is a value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha value. Am I clear? So, b square minus 2ac by ac. So, b square minus 2ac by ac. So, a is matching from list 1, a is matching with third option. So, for a should be 3, only one option is given, first option is right answer. So, second b, c, d also find out, so is it matching or not. So, first second one what I am given, alpha square plus beta square by whole by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. So, b what I am given, b alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square whole by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. Am I clear? Alpha square plus beta square by whole by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. So, it can be written alpha square plus beta square whole by, so alpha power minus 2 can be written 1 by alpha square plus beta power minus 2 can be written 1 by beta square. So, it can be written, so alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square whole by, what is LCM? Alpha square beta square is LCM. It can be written cross multiplication, beta square into 1 beta square plus alpha square into 1 alpha square, and also can be written alpha square plus beta square. So, also it can be written alpha square plus beta square into reciprocal alpha square beta square whole by alpha square plus beta square. So, these two terms are cancelled, okay na? Which one is left? So, alpha beta whole square is left. Am I clear? So, alpha into beta value c by a whole square equals to, it can be written c square by a square. So, b is matching with, c square by a square. So, c square by a square, first one. So, b should be 1. In first option already got 3, 1. So, b also matching with 1. Am I clear? So, third one alpha cube plus beta cube, c. What I am given? C alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. So, this is just like that a cube plus b cube formula. It can be expressed as alpha into beta into alpha square minus alpha into beta plus beta square. This is a formula, a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Just like that, alpha cube plus beta cube can be written alpha plus beta into alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square. It can be written alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square. It can be written alpha plus beta whole square, minus 2 alpha beta. Am I clear? Alpha square plus beta square can be written alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta value alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta left. Yes. So, and also it can be written as alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta whole square minus minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. minus 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta. Am I clear? So, alpha plus beta formula minus b by a, sum of the roots into alpha plus beta minus b by a whole square minus 3 into alpha beta value alpha into beta c by a. So, it can be written minus b by a into minus b by a whole square can be written b square by a square minus 3 into c by a, 3 into c by a. Am I clear? And also it can be expressed as minus b by a into what is LCM? LCM is a square. So, b square minus here b square, a square LCM minus it can be written 3ac. So, also it can be written minus. So, according to option, which option has been given? The same similarities, 3abc minus b cube by a cube. So, okay. First one minus into minus b into b cube minus b into b square minus b cube minus into minus plus 3abc whole by a into a square a cube. Also it can be written 3abc minus b cube by a cube. Am I clear? So, that is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. So, this is a value of alpha cube plus beta cube value. So, according to matching, so C alpha cube plus beta cube value is 3abc minus b cube by a cube. So, C is matched with 4. And finally, what I am given? Alpha power 5 into beta power 8 plus alpha power 8 into beta power 5. So, D what I am given? Alpha power 5 beta power into beta power 8 plus beta power 5 into alpha power 8. Am I clear? And also given, okay, directly given alpha power 5 into beta power 8 and alpha power 8 into beta power 5. So, both are same, just like that. So, one should have to check in that matching. So, what I am given? Alpha power 5 into beta power 8 plus alpha power 8 into beta power 5. Am I clear? Yes, it can be written first. So, which one taken as a common? So, in that left side and right side, alpha power 5, beta power 5 as a common, it can be written beta power 3 plus alpha power 3. Am I clear? So, it can be written, so alpha beta whole power 5 into, this is extension of a cube plus b cube. So, already got alpha cube plus beta cube value, what I am getting here? 3abc minus b cube by a cube. Am I clear? So, it can be written alpha cube plus beta cube. So, according to the formulas, alpha beta are product of roots, the value is c by a. Alpha beta value c by a whole power 5 into alpha cube plus beta cube already got the value 3abc minus b cube by what I am getting? A cube. So, it can be written c power 5, c by a whole power 5 can be written c power 5 by whole a by 5, a power 5, c by a whole power 5, c power 5 by a power 5 into, so this is a 3abc minus b cube by a cube. Am I clear? So, it can be written c power 5, numerator value c power 5 into 3abc minus b cube by, what is the denominator? A power 5 into a power 8, a power 5 into a cube value a power 8, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, a power 5 into a cube can be written a power 8. So, this is the value of alpha power 5 into beta power 8 plus alpha power 8 into beta power 5. So, which option is the right answer here? So, last one D coincide with the second option, c power 5 into 3abc minus b cube by a power 8. So first one, A is matching with 3, B is matching with A, C is matching with 4, D is matching with 2. Which option is right answer? So first option is right answer. Am I clear? That is the 8th one, matching test. It is over. So let us go to question number 9. If alpha beta are the roots of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, alpha plus h comma beta plus h are the roots of px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, then h value, option A, minus 1 by 2 into a by b minus p by q, option B by a minus q by p, option C, 1 by 2 into b by a minus q by p, option D, none of these. So here what is the quadratic equation? So two quadratic equations are mentioned, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, first one. So what is the second quadratic equation? px square plus qx plus r equals to 0. But in that first one, alpha beta are roots of first quadratic equation, alpha beta are roots. In second one, what I am given, alpha plus h comma beta plus h are roots of the second quadratic equation. Roots of second quadratic equation, px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. So here first one we need to find the sum of the roots, alpha plus beta formula minus b by a, and the product of the roots alpha into beta formula c by a. But here sum of the roots alpha plus h plus beta plus h formula minus b by a, nothing but minus q by p. Product of the roots alpha plus h into beta plus h equal to c by a, nothing but r by p. But question what I am asking? So then h value. So question what I am asking? H value. Am I clear? Yes. So firstly, in that case, what you are taken? Yes. So they are multiplied together first. Okay. So clearly we need to understand what is second equation, alpha plus h into beta plus h, and also first equation. What is the first one? So by using the first equation from equation 2, what I am getting, alpha plus h plus beta plus h equals to, this is h, okay, alpha plus h, beta plus h equals to minus q by p. From the above, alpha plus h plus beta plus h equals to what I am getting, minus q by p, minus q by p. Am I clear? Minus q by p. So question what I am asking, h value. It can be written alpha plus beta h plus 2h equals to minus q by p. But clearly alpha plus beta value already obtained, alpha plus beta value is minus b by a. Minus b by a, minus b by a plus 2h equals to minus q by p. So minus b by a term go to right side, it can be written, therefore 2h can be written, b by a, so minus b by a go to right side, positive b by a, positive term b by a minus q by p. But question what I am asking, h value, therefore h can be written half into, 2 go to right side, it will become a whole by 2, nothing but half into b by a minus q by p. This is the required answer. Which option is right answer? Option C is right answer. 1 by 2 into b by a minus q by p. So option C is right answer. So let's go to question number 10. The difference between the larger root and the smaller root of x square minus px plus p square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0 is, option 1 0, option 2 1, option 3 4, option 4 minus p plus 1. So question what I am asking, difference between the larger root and the smaller root of the given quadratic equation. What I am given, x square minus px plus p square minus 1 by 4 equals to 0. Am I clear? This is a given quadratic equation. So here x square coefficient a value 1, x coefficient b equals to minus p. Am I clear? Constant c value p square minus 1 by 4. So this is a given values. Am I clear? So question here clearly we need to understand. Let me take in alpha beta r, alpha comma beta r are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So given quadratic equation, And first one we need to find sum of the roots, nothing but alpha plus beta equals to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. So what is minus b value here? B value minus p. So minus into minus p by a value 1. So nothing but minus into minus p by 1, nothing but p. So alpha plus beta value p. So next one, product of the roots, alpha into beta formula c by a. Here c value what I am given? P square minus 1 by 4. P square minus 1 by a value 1. So also it can be written. So alpha into beta value p square minus 1 by 4. Am I clear? Yes. So alpha into beta, clearly we need to understand, this is a, clearly we need to understand p square minus 1 by 4 whole by 1, nothing but p square minus 1 by 4, that is alpha into beta value. Am I clear? Yes. But question what I am asking? So difference between the larger root and the smaller root. So clearly we need to notice that. So here what I am getting, alpha into beta value p square minus 1 by 4, alpha plus beta value p. So alpha and beta are two roots, but in that case you don't know larger root and smaller root, but this should be alpha comma beta. So larger root may be alpha comma beta, smaller root also may be alpha comma beta. First one we need to find alpha beta values individually. So that means, so this is extension of, so clearly alpha beta can be written, this is extension of a square minus b square formula. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Am I clear? So this is a plus b by 2, p square minus 1 can be written p plus 1 by 2 into p minus 1 by 2. So we know that here what is the positive, p plus 1 by 2 is a larger value. So alpha value what I am taken, p plus 1 by 2, here beta value p minus 1 by 2. You can add these two, for example you can add these two. So clearly we need to understand. So you can add these two. So p by 2 plus 1 by 2, p plus 1 by 2 can be written, p by 2 plus 1 by 2, it can be written, second one p by 2 minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel, p by 2 can be written 2p by 2, 2p by 2 means p. Am I clear? So already obtained alpha plus beta value p, so these are confirmed, alpha value p plus 1 by 2, beta value p minus 1 by 2. But question what I am asking, difference between their roots. Difference between their larger roots and smaller roots. Here what is a larger root? This is a larger root. Okay na? So larger root is alpha value, smaller root is, so smaller root is beta value. But difference is asking. What is the difference? Question what I am asking, difference of the roots, alpha minus beta. What is alpha value? Alpha value p plus 1 by 2 can be written, p plus 1 by 2. Beta value minus p minus 1 by 2. Am I clear? So clearly it can be written p plus 1 by 2. So 2 LCM directly you can take 2 LCM. So p plus 1, this is minus p, minus into minus plus 1. Minus p plus p cancel, 2 by 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 2 equals to 1. So this is a 2. Am I clear? To cancel, that is equal to 1. So what is the difference between larger and smaller root equal to 1? So which option is right answer? Option number 2 is right answer, 1 is right answer. Am I clear? So rest of the questions I will discuss you in my next class. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.